7. Pero buti na lang maaga yung mga kasama namin. So, yay! Ayan. I haven't went out of the hotel since kanina kasi sobrang pagod na lotion. Pero ayan, oh my God, may bazaar! Oh my God, oh my God.
Ok, allez, vas-y.
Wow. So a lot of people are going to the Dao Cruise.
Masaya kayo, isa kayo sa
Ibang boat. Dito tayo sa social na na yate, tita, hindi sa ganito. Yung yate natin nakapark doon, no? Woohoo! We're riding the boat! Ano laman nila? Peace. It's samosa. Parang curry yung loob. Buffet. For real, gumagalaw na kami. Woohoo!
Balita ko mamaya makakapitong ito eh. Yung pa, balita ko mamaya makakapitong.
Nice. Ganda ng itsura ng mga boats. Yan ah. At napakagandang yan. Here are the parents. Hello. Say hi.
Ben biraz daha makarna alacağım.
Salad bar. Thank you. Okay. This is my food. I have pesto and potato, vegetables, fish, salad, chicken masala and steak.
Parang hindi nila ayaw dati. Ito, mahalo mo lang. Okay naman ito.
Ang galing nung gumawa ng building na to. Parang Tin Wist.
Pilipit.
Parang pinilipit po yung building. Opo.
Alam mo, tutumba sa'yo.
Galing.
Punta na yung strap.
Pero bahay siya.
Condo.
Para pong condo.
Daddy, it wouldn't be in Iloilo. Something like that. You switch the aisle.
Chicken yan.
Oo, chicken.
Di ba po fish yan?
Hindi, chicken.
Itong white ng fish.
Ah.
Wow.
Gaganda ng mga building. The cruise is ended. Cruise is ended. Sobrang saya naman siya. Chill lang, ganyan. And ang gaganda talaga ng mga buildings na nakita namin. Wow! Very luxurious itong Dubai, and it was a very good experience na makapag-try mag-cruise kahit isang beses. So I think the Dhow cruise is being offered by different tour operators. So if you want to experience going around the marina area side, then yun, try nyo tong Dhow cruise, and makikita nyo yung iba't ibang mga buildings, ganyan. Iikot siya. And then, mapupunta kayo a little bit dun sa may open sea. So, if you get a little bit seasick, okay lang naman. As in, very chill lang yung takbo. May time na inalon kami, pero hindi ganun kalakas yung alon. So, yan. Dun, inalon lang kami dun sa may area ng bandang open sea. Pero other than that, everything's fine. Good night!